Yo, what's good, guys? So this video is going to be a little bit different. I was inspired as I was cutting my hair. I gave myself just a little quick taper, like a 10-15 minute taper, just because I am going out tonight. I'm going out for my boy Terrence's little groomsmen get together. So it's gonna be fun to see everyone. We're gonna have a good time, but obviously it's that kind of vibe, so we actually gotta kind of dress up, not like super formal, but we gotta be a little swaggy. So I just had the inspiration of just doing a get ready with me, so I can show you guys exactly what I'm gonna wear and like just basically how I put my outfit together. But first thing is first. So I was reached out to by a company called Rose Gold and Black, and they are a jewelry company, and I don't have a knife to open this. That didn't work. One second. Alright, so I used my barber scissor to actually open it. Jesus Christ! This package was $51 to ship. My God. Oh. I think we good. I think we finally got this thing open. So basically what they make is jewelry. They sent me 4 items. I'm going to open them up. I'm actually only supposed to show you guys one of these like once a week, so I'm just gonna open one of them and see what it looks like, and hopefully it's the right one that goes with the outfit that I'm gonna wear. So I'm gonna put these 3 down. Let me open these up. Let me open this one up. So the packaging is in like this white box, pretty tight. Well, your boy just ripped it. So right there, y'all can see R, G, and B. So Rose Gold and Black. I'll leave everything like their website and their Instagram down below. So it has like a little pull out right here, a little slide out box, and then right there it says Rose Gold and Black, as you can see without my face. So I'm gonna open it up. It's got a little, okay, oh wow. Hook me up with a little credit card. So it's got a little booklet right here. Rose Gold and Black product care. So basically this is just telling you how to take care of the item. And there is a card that says authenticity certificate card. This is actually pretty tight. It's a little black and rose gold card. And then when you get into the actual box, it's a little leather pouch right here. And then you open it up. Hopefully this is a necklace, because I actually want to wear a necklace and it's a bracelet. This is fine. So right here it's a rose gold and black bracelet. Let me cover my face so y'all can see that. It's obviously super small right now and kind of tight, but you can loosen it up, I believe. Hold up. I don't know if you loosen this. Woo! Hold up. Maybe if I pull it? No. Pull this side? No. Okay, so basically you just pull it, and then it stretches out a little bit. Basically you get it to the size of your wrist that you feel comfortable with. And yeah, actually this actually might go with my outfit, but we shall see. So yeah, I think this will actually work, because I do have a watch on, so I might be able to rock this on the right side. It actually might look kind of tight. I'll just wear it on my right wrist. But yeah, let me just show you guys the outfit that I picked out for tonight. It's kind of fire. Let's go! So basically what I'm going to be wearing is maybe this chain. It is the Chanel chain. But I am going to be wearing this right here. It is the Chanel crew neck, and I'm going to be wearing it underneath the blazer that I have right here, which is also in black. So I'm going to be wearing almost basically everything is going to be black. So right here you can see, I don't know if you can see the brand, but I did pick this up at Top Man. Does it have a tag on the inside? Hold up. Let me see if it has a tag on the inside. Right there. So it actually says Top Man right there. You can see. I'm going to be putting this underneath the blazer. I might rock with these. I honestly don't know yet. I'm gonna choose between the two, see which one looks better. But these are the Prada jeans, which I came up on for, I think, $7 or $8, which is crazy because this piece right here, these slacks were like 15. So obviously the Prada's are way better. And then obviously your boy gotta wear a belt, so I'm going to be wearing this right here. You can see right there, you see the Ralph Lauren little horse logo. It is a woven belt, just to give the outfit a little bit more detail. And then these, if you've been following me, you know that I came up on these a while ago, and they are the leather Chelsea boots, which are in a size 11. And if you can see the bottom right there, they are Cole hands, but y'all see the heel? Nike Air. Yeah. And then obviously your boy gotta stay cozy, so I gotta wear black socks because I am wearing an all black outfit. So I'm gonna be wearing the black Nikes just to keep that cozy feel on your boy's feet. And then this is the rose gold and black bracelet right here. Let me see if I can actually get that to clear up. A little dusty, boy. If I can get that to clear up. But yeah, as you can see right there, it's a very simple bracelet. So I guess it can't clear up. It's a little too shiny, but it is like just beaded. It is adjustable, and I'll be wearing that probably on my right wrist, because on the left wrist, you already know, your boy is going to be wearing the Gucci. This is a Gucci watch right here in like a stainless steel and gold. It's a very simple watch, and the reason why I like this one is because it's actually got like that vintage look to it, and that's why I really like this piece. There you go, you can see that it cleared up. It is gold and silver. It'll stand out because obviously the rest of the outfit is very plain and very clean. But yeah, so let's put this outfit together and see what we're working with. Alright, so your boy just hopped out the shower, and now we throwing the socks on while your boy's hair dries. And I actually decided I'm gonna go with the black pants, the all blacks. Let's throw them on. Gotta do the other leg. Know what I'm saying? If I can get that up there. Side note, the actual deodorant that I use is Swagger. Not because it says Swagger, just because it smells extra bomb. Alright, so we got the pants on. Obviously, we need to throw on the belt. So I'm going to be putting on the vintage Ralph Lauren woven belt. Never done this angle before. It's a little different. Get it nice and tight. Swing it through. And make sure it's centered. So now it's cool. And now I'm going to throw on the Chanel crew neck. Alright, so don't mind my hair right now. It's a little wet. And the reason why is because I actually gotta let it just like air dry. I don't like to blow dry it because I like it to curl naturally a little bit. So when it gets closer to just being like being dry by itself, this is what I use. So I like to use this right here. This is Johnny B cream. This is street cream for fibrous cream, so it doesn't look super like crazy. It doesn't make it look like extra like sticky or extra shiny. It's in that cool little yellow colorway. Smells really nice. But yeah, Johnny B, we got this for free at our barber school, so I'm gonna show you guys how it looks when I actually throw this on. But for now, let's throw on the Chanel. Banger. Yeah, my hair probably looks crazy right now. So good. But yeah, so now I'm getting the Chanel crew neck on. I don't know how that looks. Probably looking pretty clean in that all black. So I'm going to put the sneakers, not sneakers, the leather cool hand boots on. Let me show you guys what it looks like. It's gonna be just like that. I do not like to fold this right here like some people do. I like to just keep it nice and smooth and just nice and clean. So now let's get into let's do our hair. Alright y'all, so basically now it's a little bit more dry. I did let it dry and then blow dry it somewhat, like back and front. And the reason why I blow dry it back a little bit is to give it a little bit of oomph, give it a little bit of like volume so it doesn't look as like flat on my head. As you can see the texture in the hair from the haircut, and I like to brush it down. I don't like to like have it like sticking up like you saw me earlier. That was just because my hair just naturally went up and I didn't actually fix it. But this is how I actually fix it. So it'd be like this, and now I got my Johnny B street cream. Honestly, I barely put any, because you can see right here, I could actually rock with this if I wanted to. So I basically put just that. I don't know if you can see that, but I literally just use my pinky, rub it in my palm, get it nice and warm, all smoothed out, and then just basically just dab so it doesn't really press down or lose volume, and then get it in my fingertips, and then just kind of massage it in just so it's lightly in there. Keep the tips nice and dry, and as you can see, it's starting to get like a little bit more shine in there. But yeah, so this is basically how I would style my hair. I don't put too much because I want it to look natural but in place at the same time, because the hairs like back here will start to fall down. So as long as I put some cream, you'll have a nice like voluminous look, and then basically it's like a slight like Caesar cut somewhat. But yeah, that's my hair. So now I'm gonna throw on the jacket, my jewelry, and my cologne. Alright, so now I got my Top Man blazer. Let me just throw this on. I know I'm sitting down right now, but it's all good. We can make it work. So nice little slick, simple look. I got the Chanel with the blazer, just black on black, very clean. With the Ralph Lauren belt, I could show it if I want to. I don't have to. And then I basically got all black bottom, just like y'all see. This right here, obviously, I gotta put is the Jimmy Choo Man cologne. The way I do it is I put 1, 2. You just saw me spray, but this is how I do it. 1, 2. Rub it. Get it on the jacket. Get it on the inside. And then I hit my neck with the and then we good. But yeah, so that's basically how I put my cologne on. I'm gonna throw on this rose gold and black bracelet. This actually look kind of dope in my outfit right now. So let me just see how much I actually gotta open this to get it on. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this, so I'm basically gonna bite it, so I can tighten both sides. There you go. So I pretty much got it on. Nice little simple rose gold and black bracelet, very clean, just a nice touch to the outfit. And then obviously I gotta throw on the watch because someone asked me for the time, you know, I gotta give it to them, you know what I'm saying? Hit them with the 1 click, hit them with the 2 click, and then now I got the watch on my wrist. So basically, yeah, that's gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see a full outfit pic or on my story, you can follow me on Instagram at A.the.barber. The link is down below, and always at the end of my videos when I hit y'all with that beat. Dun, 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 dun. But yeah, so that's gonna wrap it up. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was just a quick little video I wanted to get out to you guys in my room. I did the whole thing in my room, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I don't ask you guys often, but please hit the like button. Leave a comment down below, and please subscribe to your boy if you haven't already. I know you guys always see me in street clothes or like cozy sweats, but sometimes your boys gotta dress up, and this is one of those occasions. I hope you guys like the outfit that I chose, and yeah, I think that's it. It's time to go grub with the homies. You already know slogan. Amen to fashion. What is good?